You got to explain to me what you do to from the past day. Keep kicking. Okay, tell me. What is it? Companion is?
Companion is friend.
Okay, next slide, please. Tell me.
Animal that live both land and water look like chicken.
What is it?
Duck.
Duck, very good. Next slide, please. Tell me.
The striped animal live is a white. It is a lone hunter. It is a carnivore.
Do you think this is the wild or in the wild?
Wild.
In the wild, right?
It is a tiger. Nocturnal animal. The animal that feed at night.
Very good.
Ding, ding. Herbivore. The animal that eat only
Only plants.
plants.
Only planet. Next one.
Horn animal part. Animal horns. Animal body part that grow from the bone on top of their head.
Very good. Next one.
Relative.
Relative.
Family and kin.
What does that mean, relative? Win, go back to this to the last slide you just did. Explain to me what is mean of relative.
Relative is kin.
What is kin? What is kin, darling? This slide's not passed, okay? Okay, because you don't understand this one. Next one, next slide, please. Show me your next slide, please.
Appropriate.
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 What is appropriate?
When my aunt is search in Google and write.
So you got to do this one yourself. I want you to understand in Thai and explain to me in English. This slide not pass, okay? Next one, please.
Mammal.
Okay, what is mammal?
Mammal is an animal. Have a baby. It have a milk.
Oh, breastfeeding. Okay, good. Next slide, please.
Animal breastfeeding. Trunk. Elephant trunk.
Explain, what is elephant trunk?
Is a nose trunk.
Very good. It's the nose of an elephant. You finished? Now, exit this page, please.
Empty.
Exit the page. You got to exit. Yes. When you exit, you see that I want you to add slide 13 for me.
Slide 13.
Add this on top, the plus one. You see the word plus on top, plus. The plus and the minus sign, plus, plus. Yes, yes, plus. Okay. And click. I want you to add the first one, kin, K-I-N, kin. Not that one. On top. the turtle คลิกเพื่อเพิ่มชื่อ โอเค K-I-N kin
K-I-N.
very good and slide 14 please relative
Okay.
R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E relative
R
R-A-R-E-L-A-T-E R-E-L
L A
L-A-T
T I V E.
I-V-E
Oh.
a lot of T right there
Yeah.
appropriate 15 A-P-P
A P P
R-O
R O
P-R
P R
I-A-T-E
A
I-A-T-E correct appropriate
E E.
P-R-I-A-T-E that's wrong darling delete it out delete the I and A out swap them I-A okay T-E okay lovely very good now your homework is 13 14 and 15 your problems of your works is that you don't understand what you're trying to present Win I want you to study the word I gave you okay you can choose to study through Google Translate you can translate this to Thai but you have to understand and when you click เพื่อเพิ่มข้อความ you see that one
Yeah.
you have to click and type yourself that you understand what is in yourself if you copy from the computer and post it in there I don't want it okay can you stop share screen
Okay.
very good twin very good